This is the only video you need to watch to upgrade your ELCAN's QD lever to have the best zero retention. This means stronger clamping force to be mounted on any rail systems, including non-mil-spec. While the optic is super expensive still, it's considered one of the best combat prism optic of its era. But there is a problem with its poor arms lever. Those don't have the best clamping force. Anytime when you have a out of spec or damaged rail system, this scope won't hold zero. So, step 1, you are going to grab a 1/16 size roll punch to push out these 2 pins. If the long pins get stuck on the way out, then just use a plier to cut the extra length, and that will give you enough room to punch them out, and you don't need to keep these pins anyway. And then, just use a mallet to gently tap on the levers to push them out. When the first one is out, and then the spring should falling out too. Now remove the second one. Once it's out, you have done the hard part. Now let's install the new QD lever. Simply just turn them 90 degrees and then slide it right into the slot, and then do the same for the other one. It should be very easy to do. Now it's time to follow the instruction that comes with the lever and stack those washer springs in order, exactly like what's shown in the video. And then push them in. Okay, after that, get the screw and try to push them in there, and find a way to make it tight. Now do the second one. This screw right here is what gives you the adjustable tension that the factory Q doesn't offer. This retainer screw pin holds the tension screw so it won't move. If you want to move it, just simply loosen the screw, and then you can turn the knob. Now your ELCAN Specter mounts tighter on the rail, and it will hold zero better. And there you have it. This is exactly how to upgrade your ELCAN Specter with the version 2 ARMS QD levers. If you love the ELCAN, this is a must upgrade to have.